Hi, this is Ashmita. I'm an interior designer. I used to work in my beginning levels as a designer in architectural consultancy. Then I have started working in Lakhotia. Since 2.5 years, I'm working here as a faculty. This is a very honored and great experience for me, and very happy to work with Lakhotia Institute of Arts and Design. And here, all comfort and luxury air conditioning classroom is given to the students, and according to the comfort of the students, the classes has been scheduled and planned. The classes is something like, we have some softwares which is given for the computer lab. Computer lab may we are having like few advanced things, so advanced softwares is utilized here. And the syllabus is something like market survey reports and field visits is given meanwhile. And we are having very huge workshops. We are having two branches, Abbots and Panjagutta, whereas in both the branches we are having the workshop for the students, which is according to the subject wise we are dealing with, like carpentry and joinery we are having, for which we need to work with the tools and all those things. So we are having workshop for the carpentry and joinery. The same way we are having for the paintings, and practical work will be going on in meanwhile. The same way the students are given for outside visits along with the faculty, along with the industrial and educational trip is given. The management is very supportive and very helpful for the students, and they keep on interacting with new things. And in meanwhile we have some activities going on in the classrooms, like having the competition, having the seminars and practical seminars in the classroom. The things will be going on, and students are very happy to have the studies in Lakhotia Institute, and they are very happy to work with the advanced things which is upgrading every year here. And there is upgradation of the course, like meanwhile every year, like we are having BA Honours 6 months course and diploma and PG diploma, which keep on having the different syllabus every year. We keep on increasing it, and we keep on upgrading it. And the placement of the Lakhotia, like we are having different placements. Minimum of doing 1 year course, few students are working as a reputed designer under some companies, and a few are working as for the freelancing. Freelancing is something like which is very advantageous thing for the students, because they can work very independently for their own life and thing. They can do for the commercials, residential, as we are having commercial here and even the residential thing. So they are working for the residential and commercial car things outside. And after their courses, like 1 year course, that is PG diploma and BA Honours thing, they are working for some companies, reputed companies even. Like we are having some companies, we are giving the placement under some companies, and as a designers, like they are working for some particular designers. Like we was having a freelancing for the landscaping and all those things. For that also they are working. For specialization, merchandising also, few students are working.